Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. So today I am going to be doing a packing video. We are going on a 5-day vacation or a 5-day holiday. It's more of a staycation. We are going up to Carlingford, County Louth. It's approximately like an hour 45, 2 hours away from us. So it's myself, Robert and Ava, and then we're going with Robert's parents and Robert's granny as well. So that is going to be who is going. But for now, I just want to show you what I am packing and what we are bringing on our 5-day staycation. Before I get into that, I just want to share with you that I do have some blog posts for you to check out. Yesterday I uploaded a 10 uses of coconut oil. Also there are like recipes, there is Slimming World based stuff there, lots of reviews of local free or very low cost attractions that I bring Ava to. I will have all of those linked in the description, or irishfamily.com is my blog and you can check that out. This is everything that we're bringing with us for our 5 days people. So I have it kind of split into sections. We do Robert's first because it's the smallest amount. So he's bringing 2 pairs of shorts and a pair of jeans. Then he has 7 t-shirts here, and then his socks and underwear. And what I will say is, right now in Ireland we are having hot and cold weather, so we need to kind of pack for both situations. So onto my stuff, I have my underwear and socks here. I then have a pair of these trousers, a pair of jeans, and then a shorts. Here I have 3 of the kind of nicer tops. I'd wear this one if I'm going out, and then these 2 are kind of casual but dressy up. I then have, I think it's like 5 t-shirts here. I just brought them in Pennies or Primark. Just to go with jeans and that sort of stuff. Then here I always wear these shoes, and they're €3 and you can't go wrong. So I know that they're going to be totally fine. This is new. I haven't wore a pair of these before, but I have tried them on and they feel okay. So these ones. And then finally I just brought these in case I'm going out. I'll just shove them on with a pair of my jeans there, and I'll wear them if we're going to go out somewhere dressy. So there are the shoes I'm wearing. Then over to Ava's. Ava is tough, as you know. She's 2, so she tends to get messy and mucky and dirty, so we kind of have to pack extra for her. And as I said, we kind of need long sleeve and short sleeve stuff. So the first thing I'm just going to show you, we're bringing some vests here, then a little pack of underwear for her, because if she's wearing dresses we put underwear on her nappy, and sometimes we just let her go around with underwear on. We then have some socks, and these are slightly thicker, and then we have longer socks. Then we have this kind of like old pair of sandals. She's been wearing these the whole of the summer, so they are nice and comfortable on her. We then have this pair of runners. So I just bought these. They were on sale for €5 in Pennies. So these will be perfect for her just to run around. And then we have this nicer pair of shoes. So I got these recently in Clark's in their sale. So they are the 3 pairs of shoes. Then over here we have some leggings. So there's like 4 or 5 pairs here. We have a pair of shorts and 2 skirts. We have a long sleeve top, and then we also have this very cute denim top. We have like 5 or 6 t-shirts. Up here we have 2 pairs of pajamas, because you just never know if she's gonna, you know, mess up one. We have a long sleeve dress, and then over here we have 5 different short sleeve dresses. So 5 of them. Then lastly, the final things are over here. We are bringing 2 like long sleeve light cardigans. We have a light top, like a hooded top for her. And then we have this puffed kind of fleecy like gilet in case it's cold, because you just don't know. So this is everything that we're bringing. It might seem a little bit extreme for 5 days, but as I said, it is hot, clammy, and also like raining and windy. So we're going to go where near the sea, so more than likely we're going to need kind of long sleeve or layers. So that's why we have so much variety. So some other stuff that we are going to be bringing, so the first thing is a bed rail. Ava now sleeps with the sides off her cot, so we need a bed rail because there's single beds in the house. Here we are bringing some of this. You know, if you've watched my a couple of videos where I showed her skincare routine, and also when we were in Glendalough, a day in the life video, I mentioned how this is our favorite sun cream. So as I said, we're expecting mixed weather, so it's always safe to bring SPF with us. Then her moisturizer, obviously, a whole pack of nappies, and then a pack of wipes. These are the wipes we've used since day one. Well, actually for the first while we used water and a face cloth, but then now we use these water wipes. And then we're bringing her bath stuff. So we have the shampoo, the bubble bath, the conditioner, also a hair detangler and her detangling brush as well. And then we're bringing a couple of toys for her. So these ones here are just a little few bath toys that she plays with. These are some stacking blocks from the company B. Love this company. Then we have this from Melissa and Doug. One of our pegs are missing, but Ava loves to play with this. Behind it is this, I think this is Leapfrog. So it's just it's like a little picnic with shapes and stuff, so she likes to play with that. A bouncy ball, a football, a soccer ball, whichever one you call it. And then we are also bringing her monitor for the room as well. It is a 2-story house that we're going to be in, so we definitely need to have the monitor so we can check when she gets out of bed. So a couple of other things that we're bringing. First are these wraps. These are just left from Robert's lunch. He uses these for lunch. Also what's left of the sliced pan here. We're just going to bring them with us instead of throwing them out. We're going to bring some pasta for Ava, and also I forgot to take it out, but we're also going to bring some stir-in sauce for her, probably 2 of these. We then have a load of Coke Zero. We just bought like a 24 pack of cans, so we're going to bring them for everybody. Then as far as Ava's drinking, in the morning time she uses this. Throughout the day we put water in this, and then at night time she likes to just have milk in her bottle before she goes to bed. Behind here is what strawberries and blueberries are left. We're going to bring them for the journey. Ava will eat them. And then finally we're going to bring tea bags, because you have to have your own tea bags, because else tea just doesn't taste right. Robert's parents are going to bring some food stuff as well. That's who we're going with. And we'll also buy stuff when we're there. That's the plan anyways. So there you have it, guys. That is what we're bringing. Probably overpacking, but I tend to do that. I kind of err on the side of caution, especially with Ava. And because we're just going to have mixed weather here, it's like warm but it's going to be wet, or it might be cold, and we're by the sea, so you just don't know. So that's why I have so many clothes for her. So yeah, that is what I'm bringing. Let me know in the comments if you are going on vacation, or if you have been on a holiday. Let me know where you've been and how you enjoyed it, or if you're going, let me know when you're going. So that's it, guys. I do have a Twitter, a Facebook and an Instagram, and I'd love if you come over and check out those social media avenues for me. I will have those linked in the description, and as I said at the start, I do have some new blog posts, or irishfamily.com is where my blog posts are, but I will have them linked in the description so you can check out what I have. That's it, guys. I will talk to you very soon. Bye.